Alright guys, how are you guys doing today? Happy Sunday to every one of you. This one looked like a pathetic video, but the sanctity of this information cannot be ascertained yet from VDM's brother. VDM's brother just came out this morning and saying that we should pray for VDM, that he's been silent, he has not posted for the past 2 days, rather is nowhere to be found indirectly. We should pray for him. It's not easy to do this job or do that and all that, blah blah blah. He's talking in riddles which a lot of us are digesting in our own understanding. We don't know what is going on right now with VDM, and you and I really know that for the past 48 hours or so, or 30 something hours, VDM have not posted anything. We don't know where it is, you know. So I thought I should bring this video here. You guys should listen to what the brother have to say. It's a short video, but let's listen to this quickly.
Good morning, everybody. I'm not yet to say much, but what I want you all to do is to pray for Very Dark Man, because I know it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not posted for 2 days now. I know you all are waiting, and I've asking questions. Where is VDM? Where is VDM? Where is VDM? The truth is, I don't know how to say this right now. This is so difficult for you, but wherever you are, today is Sunday, as you go to church or your various places of prayers, or in your house, or whatever temple you serve, remember to put VDM in your prayers for good. Thank you all, and God bless you.
Now, what is your take on this? What is happening to VDM? Is VDM okay? All these are the questions that we really need to know. The brother was not going directly, he was not speaking directly, he was talking in riddles, indirectly, backwards and all that. So it's not left for us to be digesting what is happening, but he said we should pray for VDM. As you and I know that in Nigeria, you speak, in most cases, your freedom of expression is not guaranteed. What do I know? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that affect you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.